Hey guys, Natalie here at Shoes of Hollywood. I'm back. We've got a wonderful shoe review for you today. We've got another pair of Fabulicious. These are always in the spotlight. They're always one of my favourite brands as well that Pleaser does. This one is a Lip Beige 109 and I'm going to have a look at them. I'm really excited to be back at looking at shoes again. So we take them out of their little bags. That's what our shoe looks like for our review. It's a beautiful one. It's got 5-inch heel. It's got a tiny platform, but not really, so I don't know if you want to count that as a platform. It's up to your own personal discretion, I guess. But it's only a little one. It's a beautiful quality shoe. It's very simple, and I like the simple ones. And it's got a beautiful sway for your foot to be held into place, as well as a gorgeous polished toe at the front. And the pretty little gold writing, we all love that as well. It's a very pretty shoe. Pull out the other one. Nice and protected in their boxes, so you know that no damage is going to be done to them. That's the other side. It's very nice. It's nice and shiny as well. It's got a really strong grip on the bottom. If you can see that, you can hear it. If you scratch it, it just makes a noise and you know it's not going to slip on any type of floor. Pleaser also gives you all of these beautiful little, like a travel bag, and there's a bit of a foam insert inside as well. So you can put it between your shoes and they don't get damaged, and you can just throw them in your bags. You can hang them up. I hang them up in my wardrobe. Running out of room, we all run out of room when we have lots of shoes. You just pull the drawstring and you can hang them up. Or yeah, you can store them under your bed, put them wherever you'd like them to go. So we're going to try these ones on. I'm doing the clasp. I always struggle with the clasp. Nice and snug. It fits really, really well. So I'm a size 7 shoe, and these are size 7 shoes, and they fit absolutely perfect. So if that helps when you're ordering your shoes or coming to look at shoes, they fit perfect for my feet. There we go. And that's them on. They feel really, really good. And I love the beige colour as well. It's a very flattering colour, and it can go with just about anything if you've got the right clothing. Wear them with black or tan, or they'll go with most clothes, which is really useful to have in your wardrobe. Very easy to walk in. They are extremely comfortable, oh my gosh. I feel a bit like a businesswoman, actually. Shall we give you a nice view of the side of them? So also don't forget to hit the notification bell up in the corner so you can stay up to date with all of our reviews. You'll also get a notification when we put a new video up, so you won't miss any videos. We also have a community page, so go and check that out, where you find some behind the scenes or some information on upcoming reviews and new shoes, and be the first to know. Also hit subscribe and like our videos. We're going to go outside and have a look in the sunlight, because we all love the sunlight on the shoes. We'll see how they look with the bright on them. It's a beautiful winter's day in Brisbane today. Not that it looks like it. It's about 23 degrees, so it's nice and warm. You don't need a jumper, there's no clouds in the sky. You gotta love being in Brisbane. I feel very secure in these shoes. They're not moving on the cement at all. They're gripping, they're easy to step in. They're just very comfortable. So these ones again were the Fabulicious, and they were a LIP-109. They're beige, 5-inch heel, and kind of a platform, kind of not a platform. I definitely really love these shoes. I hope you enjoyed our review. Please don't forget to hit like, and we'll see you next time. Bye.